It's a cold, gray day here in New York City, but I do have some good news. Yes, it is a Friday, but even better, it's after 4 o'clock. The markets, they're closed, and it's officially happy hour here in New York City. Hooray! Now, U.S. stocks, they turned higher during the final hour of trade, looking to close out the week on a high note. But the major averages, they're still poised for weekly losses. Now first, consumer sentiment, that fell to 81.1 in May, which was down from 84.1 the month before, and was also below expectations, calling for 84.5. Now a quick look at the markets. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, that edged higher, led by Verizon. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ, they also rose. However, all three major averages, they were on pace to posting a negative week. And let's now take a look at the actual closing price for the Dow Jones and the other U.S. markets for the week. And in corporate news, there was a lot going on. General Motors, they said that it has entered into a consent decree with the U.S. government over its ongoing ignition switch recall. The automaker will pay a $35 million fine, and since January, GM has recalled about 11.2 million cars and trucks. Also, Pfizer announcing that it will submit a new drug application for palbociclib, if I'm saying that right, with the FDA in the third quarter. Shares ticked higher after being temporarily halted. And JCPenney spiking nearly 15% after the retailer posted a smaller than expected quarterly loss while topping its revenue expectations. And Darden Restaurants, that fell after the restaurant chain agreed to sell its Red Lobster chain to Golden Gate for $2.1 billion in cash. What's my father gonna do? He loves that place. And guess what? It's after the bell. The weekend is here. Kick back, relax, have yourself a drink, and I'll see you guys all on Monday morning. From ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Sweeney.